Hello friends, I'm Omid, and in these video series want to talk about Java 21 new features tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. JEP 430 introduces string templates as a preview feature in JDK 21. It enhances Java's ability to work with strings by allowing to embed expressions directly in a string and simplifying string interpolation. String templates allow you to embed expressions within strings, which are evaluated at runtime. This video has 5 parts, please stay with me. Simplify the writing of Java programs by making it easy to express strings that include values computed at runtime. Enhance the readability of expressions that mix text and expressions, whether the text fits on a single source line, as with string literals, or spans several source lines, as with text blocks. Improve the security of Java programs that compose strings from user-provided values and pass them to other systems. 4 building queries for databases. By supporting validation and transformation of both the template and the values of its embedded expressions. Retain flexibility by allowing Java libraries to define the formatting syntax used in string templates. Simplify the use of APIs that accept strings written in non-Java languages, SQL, XML, and JSON. Enable the creation of non-string values computed from literal text and embedded expressions without having to transit through an intermediate string representation. Developers routinely compose strings from a combination of literal text and expressions. Java provides several mechanisms for string composition, but unfortunately all of them have drawbacks. The very first way is using string concatenation with plus operation. The next way is using string builder. The next way is using String.format, which separates the format string from the parameters, but it is a little complicated and may make type mismatches errors. The last way is using MessageFormat, which requires too much ceremony and uses an unfamiliar syntax in the format string. This is the end of part 1. Please watch next video, which I will talk about string interpolation.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, likes and share this video for friends. If you wanna learn, join and enjoy.